Lee at Carson City RV, and today we're going to talk about destination trailers. I give you the 2026 Forest River Puma 421 Loft. So let's talk a little bit about the specs on this unit. The dry weight on it is just under 14,000 pounds, and the gross vehicle weight rating on this is just under 16,000 pounds. So you're gonna have to have somewhat of a robust vehicle to tow it with, like an F450, something like that with a dually. Now you have 7,000 pound axles and D-rated tires, so the suspension setup on this is actually more than adequate for the size of the unit. You have a C-channel dropped frame. You can see where it kind of drops down there. That's in the bedroom units. That you both have step downs as you go on the inside. I'll show you that in a minute. Over here you've got your tankless water heater and your black tank flush freshwater connection, and over back here you've got LED tail lights. It's prepped for a backup camera, and you do have your ladder that goes all the way up to the roof. Now the roof on this is fully walkable, so if you ever had to get up there and do any maintenance or anything, inspect the seals and stuff like that. Additional storage compartments on the outside of the coach. Over here you've got your vent for your furnace. It is a propane furnace and a 50 amp hookup. Now you have 3 separate AC units on this. Yeah, that's right, 3. So you got 3 separate AC units. So you're gonna be pretty comfortable pretty much year round. Going up to the front here, you've got 2 30-pound propane tanks. So more than enough gas to get you through, an extended period of time. And then your main entrance on this, it's kind of unusual, but I kind of like it. You have this big open sliding glass door. Let's go take a look at the inside. So inside, Forest River they do a really good job with their cabinetry. Solid wood doors, and then you do have additional storage above the bed there. The bed does lift up for some additional storage underneath. And then this is really nice. No more trips to the laundromat. You have a full-size washer and dryer in the unit itself. Going back around here, another thing I wanted to point out is you've got USB ports on both sides on the bed, and there's these little cubbies that go just above the USB ports. Nice touch, if you're going to have your cell phones or CPAP machines, that's really nice to have. Your control panel is here for all of your AC, your heating and cooling, your slide outs, and your major lights. And then you have this beautiful living area, kitchen and dining room. And then you have your theater seating there that actually folds out into a bed as well. And then the best part about this is the loft areas. You have stereo lofts. You have one here, and then you have one on the other side of the coach. Now this side here actually goes back, I think it's 13 feet. So it runs the length of the master suite. Full-size appliances, so none of that hokey RV fridge. You've got a nice large, I believe it's a 12 cubic foot residential style fridge. You've got a 24-inch gas stove, 4-burner stove with like a real oven that you could put, like a real turkey in for Thanksgiving. And then this very large sink, your farmhouse style sink, stainless steel, and all of your countertops in this unit are going to be solid surface. Now your entertainment center, this is really cool. You got the big screen TV there. You do have your sound system. It's basically a sound bar that's built into it. And then you have a 5100 BTU fireplace. Now that unit is part of a bigger pantry. Get that open for you. So you have additional storage back behind the TV. Fantastic use of space. All the cabinets are, really nicely finished. I mean, this really looks like a kind of a luxury home rather than an RV. Going back this way, this is your second bedroom. So you got 2 lofts, 2 bedrooms. And again, you've got that set up with the USB ports on both sides. You have an outlet over there. Additional storage. And then, that's your TV backer right over here if you want to put another TV. And then another full bathroom. So you have your full-size shower enclosure, toilet, and sink. And all your fixtures are going to be full-size. And then I think I forgot to show the other bathroom for you. Let's go take a look at that. Okay. So this is your main bathroom. So you have full-size sink, full-size shower enclosure, and that's one-piece design. And people ask me about that vent on the wall there, because there's no window in this particular bathroom. They do put that vent in there so you can get the moisture out of the air and ventilate the area. And then you have your foot flush toilet. And then again, just going into this really expansive kitchen, entertainment room. I don't know what you would call it, but again, this is more like a luxury apartment than a travel trailer. Okay, so there you have it. 2026 Forest River Puma 421 Loft. You really owe it to yourself to come down to Carson City RV to take a look at it yourself. I was blown away when I saw this floor plan, and I think you're really gonna like it. So let's talk a little bit about the price. The price on this unit is $91,623. But here at Carson City RV, we don't believe in selling anything at full list price. Get in touch with me. All of my information's down there in the description. It's our goal here at Carson City RV to fit the price and/or the monthly payment into your budget. And we want you to feel comfortable about doing business with us. So until next time, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing new videos on just about anything I can get my hands on, if it's RV related. So anyway, hit like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one, and goodbye.